So now what we'll do, we'll put plant cell and animal cell in isotonic, hypertonic and hypotonic solution, and we'll see what happens. In isotonic solution, where the concentration outside and inside is same, we'll see no change in both the cases. The difference between animal cell and plant cell is animal cell is having a rigid cell wall. Okay. Now if we put it in a hypertonic solution, hypertonic means water is less outside. Okay. So water from inside move outside. So in case of plant cell, animal cell, will see the cell will shrink because it is not having cell wall. In case of in case of plant, what will happen? The plasma membrane, the cell wall will remain as such, it is rigid, but the plasma membrane together with the cytoplasmic content, it will shrink. This process is called plasmolysis. Plasmolysis is the shrinking of plasma membrane together with the cytoplasmic content when the cell is placed in hypertonic solution. Okay, this condition of cell is called flaccid, empty. The cell becomes empty, and the empty space, it will be filled with this hypertonic solution because the cell wall is freely permeable. So in whichever solution you will put, it will be filled with this. Okay. So if you put it in hypertonic solution, in animal cell it will shrink because water will go outside. If it is plant cell, then the plasma membrane will shrink together with the cytoplasmic content. It will become like that football. You must have seen that football having that leather casing and then bladder. So if it is not filled with the air, the bladder moves away from the leather casing. So something like that football. Okay. So it becomes flaccid, and this is also called plasmolysis, that is shrinking of plasma membrane together. Start kare? Plasmolysis. Okay. So now if a cell is plasmolysed and we are not putting it back in a hypotonic solution, if you put it in back in a hypotonic solution, what will happen? Water will start coming inside and it will become deplasmolysed. It will regain its life. But if it is plasmolysed and it keeps on going happening, if you don't put it in a hypotonic solution, what will happen? It will finally die. Okay. So if you are adding a lot of fertilizers, normally some of the farmers, they feel like if you put more fertilizers to the soil, we will get more growth. But actually if you are putting a lot of fertilizer, you are making the surrounding hypertonic and the cells may die because of that. Okay. Now the last one is hypotonic. Hypotonic solution means water is more outside. So water moves from its higher concentration, that is a hypotonic solution, to a hypertonic solution inside the cells are. Okay. In case of animal cell, what will happen? It will swell. If it keeps on going, initially it will swell, it will become turgid. Turgid means fully tight. And if it keeps on going, after becoming turgid, it will swell up and it will break. It will burst. Like if you are putting water in balloon, and if it takes a lot of water, you are putting, the balloon bursts. Something like that. Okay. But in case of hypotonic, in case of animal plant cell, since they are having a rigid cell wall, they will not burst, but they will become fully turgid. Okay, fully tight.